Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can catch an octopus in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you my backpack and then I'm going to show you the first octopus that I've catched in this game. Oops, where is it? Okay, this is the octopus. It's called the Atlantic Pygmi Octopus. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys where you can catch this species. Basically, you can catch it on the sea, but I would like to recommend you to go to the Sever Sea where I catched my first octopus. Okay, let me show you on the map. You can go to the fishing village and go to the Sever Sea. It's right here and you can start to do fishing. Okay, just like this. And if you're lucky guys, you will get the octopus. Let me show you the detail about the octopus. I'm gonna open up my collection and show you the octopus. Okay, this is the octopus information. This is for the time slot and you can catch it daily, and for the weather you can catch it on the rainy day or the sunny day, and for the source it's from the Sever Sea. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch octopus in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.